Here I am answering questions you never asked. Why in Tigrinya is the word courageous taba? Because it's connected to the word tabaatay, which means male. Ours is a patriarchal society, so everything connected to men expresses strength, value, and courage. And that's also why when you call someone the son of a woman or wadi sawati, it's the ultimate insult. And when you say things like anegwala boado, am I not my father's daughter? That is like beating your chest before a fight, reminding yourself where your strength, your value comes from. Your father, not your mother. But this saying also comes from, like the Romans used to say, mater semper certa est, or the mother is always certain, because obviously the identity of the mother is clear because the mother gives birth to the child, but the identity of the father, not so much. So if you're called the son of a woman or wadi sawati, it is a real harsh insult, not only to you, but it extended gracefully to other members of your family, implying that you know what they're implying. Oof, this was exhausting. Be a man. Toughen up. Show your courage. And sign up to our language courses to learn Tigrinya. Bye.
Culture is cool.
Times.